G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The weather's showing signs of clearing up right across Queensland. Those stubborn storms are still lingering over a few lucky places. Tomorrow should be mostly dry, Friday even sunnier, and the weekend very pleasant though, quite hot. Overnight rain fell mainly inland. Mount Gayndah had 32 millimetres and Gayndah at the airport had 18 mils. Melrose 13 millimetres and Biggendon 10. Top temperatures have recovered to about 27 degrees, which is what you'd normally expect for the first half of April, except last night was still a tad warm from the recent rain. Let's look at the satellite loop now. Definitely signs of seeing the cloud breaking, especially across southern Queensland, where it's been sitting there overcast for several days now. But we're still getting these very small and slow-moving compact storms, one near Gladstone, another one around the Atherton Tablelands, and bits and pieces around the place. And if you happen to be under one, your perception, of course, is that it's raining all the time, even though most of the state's been quite sunny today. Let's look at today's chart. We've still got that low pressure system at the end of a coastal trough, digging in almost to the southeast coast, but it's moved slightly further south, so the most rotten weather is now south of the border, though we're still getting showers and pretty rough winds coming around it. As you go north, though, it's starting to clear as those isobars diverge, but because of the lack of trade winds and the hot weather inland, we're still getting those showers and storms forming away from the coast. On tomorrow's chart, we've got the low continuing to move away, clearing the river even further, as well as that the upper level trough clears. That stabilises the upper atmosphere. And on the outlook chart, we've got a dry southwesterly perpetuating through the state, making for a nice weekend across the state. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, southerly winds tomorrow, no more than 20 knots, probably lighter. On Friday, Saturday, virtually no wind at all, just variable 10. Fraser Island offshore, southerlies could get up to 25 knots offshore, then they'll swing southwest to northwesterly on Friday, just 10 to 15 knots, and a pure northwesterly for Saturday. High tide first up again tomorrow, followed by low tide around 6 hours later. The swing from top to bottom's getting slowly wider as next Monday's new moon approaches. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a fine and mostly sunny day. Bundaberg 18 up to 29 degrees, 29 also for Gympie, Hervey Bay 28 and Maryborough once again 29. Looking ahead for Bundy, a bright sparkly weekend coming up, so make the most of it. Next week it'll start cooling down and clouding over again, but we're only talking light showers at best. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company as always. Thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I will be back tomorrow with more on this same topic. Hope you can join me then. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. As always, nice having your company. And a reminder, you can watch our news anytime on 7plus. From the team, we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.
Tonight, sexual misconduct and bullying in the public